In our up and coming webinar on the 24th, which will be on LinkedIn, we'll be talking about RF DACS, and we'll be going through some radar and electronic warfare scenarios. So what I'd like to do here is show how we're using the RF DAC in the third Nyquist zone with the Proteus P9484D arbitrary waveform transceiver. Now I'm generating a 10 gigahertz signal, and that's what we can see here. So if I do a peak search, will come up and it says 10 gigahertz, and that's the CW. So that is the local oscillator, and it's digitally generated within the DAC chip itself. And here in Wave Design Studio I've created some modulation as well, so I'm going to change this now from NCO mode to IQ mode, and I'm going to modulate the signal. And as you can see now, we have a modulated signal. It's modulated with a square wave, so we're putting out pseudo style radar signals at 10 gigahertz. So we can change these on the fly and do a lot of processing on these, but we'll get into that in the seminar.